All right, this is going to be Strange Brew by Cream. Of course, Eric Clapton on guitar. We're going to do the rhythm parts first. We're going to have an A7 chord, bar all the fives, and you have a 7 on the 5th string and a 6 on the G string, 3rd string. A7 chord, we're going to go. Okay, so that's a whole 12 bar, and that was a 12 bar. We were going to do the A7 4 times. Now the riff that's happening here is bass, bass, rest of the chord. So we actually wait till after the 3rd beat, so it's like 1 and 2, 3. We have a hammer 5 to 7, like halfway through that 3rd beat, like 3 and be like the last 2 16th notes of that beat. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4, E and a. Okay, so these last 2 is 5 to 5 7. So there's a little pause on that first 16th of the 4th beat. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and a 4, E and a. Okay, so the 4 you don't do anything. You go 5 and then hammer 5 7 on the D. So 2 3 4. 1 and 2 3. D7 9. So D7 would be like that. When we put this E in there with this D chord, we get a D7 9. So we're gonna have bass, bass, chord. Same exact riff over here. Bass, bass, chord again. So that was 4 A7s and 2 D7 9s. Then we're gonna come back to the A7 twice. And then we start the turnaround. This is the E7 sharp 9, 7 6 7 8. We're gonna go same riff again, and then down to the D7 raised 9. That's gonna be 5 4 5 6. Back to A7 for 2. Okay, so let's try that turnaround. 2 3 4. Okay, now when a verse comes in, it's going to do that quick change to the D. So we're going to go 3 4. D again. Turn around. Okay, and then another verse, so you have that quick change. And so on and so forth. Okay, now there's a spot later in the song where we're going to have a stop. And then you have a 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you kind of like pause, you have a stop. You got the E to the D, and then stop on the A, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And come in with that riff after that. So it's like a 4 beats you wait, then you wait 1 more beat. So it's like 2 3 4 1 2. So you hit that 2, and after the 3 you come in and finish that little riff. Okay, so now we're gonna get into some Eric Clapton solos and fills. So the intro solo is gonna come in like this. Okay, so let's get all that. We had 8 to 10 on the 2nd string, hammer. Then we're gonna do it again. To the 8, and then there's gonna be 1 more 8 right after this. So let's see how there was 1 more 8 before that 9 to 7 slide. So a little bend on that 5 to the 7. A little bend again on that 5. So So we got the bend up and down on the 7, pull it off, lower 7, little bend again on that 5. So. And then we're going to go 8-10, little 8 to 10. Now that third time we go, first time we hold a little bit, and we go kind of quick on those last 2 sets, right? And then third set kind of has a, where they ring together and they get a little grip between them. So we got. So that was a quick slide, 5, little bend, 7, and then here we slide into the 9 on the G, 8, 8, 10 on the second string to that 8 right there. So the whole thing is. And then the turnaround happens. And then the fill comes back. So we wait till after the first beat. We go 1, 2, and that's the 4E and. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4E and then we go. So 7, little bend on the 5, 7 to 7 going down the strings there. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then a verse happens, and then we have verse fills, but the verse fills don't come in until the 5th bar, so it's like. 1, 2. So we have 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 1, 2. Okay, so timing is tricky on these. You got to listen to this a lot to get those. This next fill is going to wait till after the 1. It's going to go 1. So bend the 8 on the second string. 1, 2, and then you're going to pull it down off to the 5. To the 7 on the G. Little bend on that 5. So then go down those 7s again. He likes to do that a lot. And then we'd have the turnaround. So this one we come in on the 2, 1, 2, do that little 5, 8, 5, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we kind of hold that over in the next measure, little bend, and then we go 7 to 7, 7, so 2 7s at the end there. So all these fills would be 1, 2, and then later on we got 1. And then after the turnaround, we'd have 1, 2. Okay, next verse, same thing. We got to wait for the 5th bar. We're going to have 1, 2, 3. So we slide into the 9 on the end of the 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we go down to those 8s. And 4, and 1, 2. So 10 to 8 there. So we got 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then our next fill is going to go 1. So we have on the 2, we bend the 7. 1, 2, 3, E, and do a little 5, 8, 5. 1, 2. So we do that 7 to 9 to a little 8. Go back to that 5. Kind of a soft little bend on that 7. So 1. And then the next one, 1. Okay, kind of typical stuff. 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 7. Now we start the solo. So we slide into the 14 on the G, and then we have 13 and 15. We're going to do a big bend on that 15. And then 14 to bending that again. We got 13 twice, so that 14. So we got. Little bend on that 13, so da-da-dum-dum. We're going to bend the 15 again. 15, 13 to 14. Kind of slide that 13 down. So we slide into the 9, 8, 8, A lot of the same riffs, you know, just in different contexts here and there. Pull off 10 to 8 there. Quick slide. 7/7. So it's. Now we're gonna have a. This is 5 to 6 on the 3rd string. Little 5 to 8 on the 2nd. You're gonna slide it way up there. And then we have a pickup into a new measure with some bends. We have 10, 13 on the 2nd, little 10, and then we're gonna bend this 13 on the 2nd actually 6 times. So it's. So after the 6 bends, you got. And then slide that 10 down. So it's. And again, we have the. This one's gonna end with some 5s down here on the G and B strings. Next verse fills, we're gonna have kind of the same thing. 5th bar, we come in, slide into that 9 and 8 on the 3rd and 2nd strings, and then kind of slide into that 9 again, hit the 8 again. Okay, so this is kind of a typical sliding up, down. But instead of ending on that 7 this time, he's gonna let that one end on that 5. Here's where that stop is. 1, 2, 3. And then we have these fills. Okay, so this one has a big 10, 1.5 step bend, kind of wild vibrato. 10, 8, 10, 8, 10. Now we're gonna bend this 8. And it gets kind of quiet in these fills because it's behind still some vocals. So bend the 8, 8, 8, up and down that 7 to the 5. Kind of sounds like it's doing that to me. It's really buried though. And then we're gonna have a. So 8, bend, 8, up and down on that one. Very common notes. Little 8, 10 again. You can barely hear this one, but it's bend on the 7, 8 on the 2nd, 5 to 5. And then we get the. One and, so on the and of the 1, you got 1. So we had bend the 3, little open, 5-0 pull off, 3-0 pull off. So you got to bend up and down on that 3, 1, 3, 1, and then 3 to 5, little 3. Come back to that 1 there, so. And that sounds really strange with the, to give that Strange Brew effect, right? With the last chord here, which. Bum bum ba da 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 dum da da dum 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 dum. So that's an A7-9 chord there. We got big 5, nothing on the A, 5, 4, and 5. You could also do that like this, open A with 5, 4, open, open. Kind of sounds cool with the open. Okay, Strange Brew by Cream. Eric Clapton on guitar, 2 pages of tabs with this. Hope you dig it. Talk to y'all soon.